Oh, hi guys, good afternoon, welcome to Stoplight TV. Another fantastic Sunday, another fantastic episode. On this week's episode, we go to Batangas Racing Circuit for the final leg of the 2007 Sunwig Coffee Drag Racing Championship Series. At pupunta rin tayo sa Boomland para sa 5th leg ng Interbike Club Underboard Racing Championship Series. At last but not the least, or I should say second to the last, we have the 5th Mechanic Skills Olympics by Honda at the Batangas Racing Circuit, and we go back to Eastwood City for the Auto Enthusiast Club. All that and more on this week's episode, so start your engines. Ito na ang Stoplight TV.
And here's the latest club news. The fun-loving group of MyMitsu organized the first ever Mitsubishi Day at the parking lot grounds of the Mall of Asia. The group intended to invite all Mitsubishi affiliate clubs and display everything that is about Mitsubishi.
And of course, with me is the president himself. This is Mr. Oliver. Sir, kamusta naman ang inyong Mitsubishi Day?
Well, okay na ma'am, except for the fact na inulan kami kanina, pero okay lang, andito pa rin kami lahat.
Mukhang hindi kayo na sa rain. Taga nandito pa rin kayo?
Yeah, okay naman. Kasi, well, it's a good venue.
Okay.
And the people are happy, kahit seryoso sila lahat.
Okay.
So, yan, okay naman.
Okay, on a serious note, no? Why did you come up with a Mitsubishi Day? Do you always have this yearly?
No, this is the first time we actually have this because we thought of, since we're a Mitsubishi club and there are other Mitsubishi clubs around,
yes,
we thought of inviting everyone to come over so we can display and appreciate everything that's Mitsubishi. So we've got clubs like Club Mitsu, VR Force, Mitsu Lancer PH, and a whole lot of other clubs who came by, dropped by. Minsan, some of them are still here. Ayun.
So all of the Mitsubishi affiliated clubs are here tonight?
Yeah, all of the Mitsubishi affiliate clubs.
Alamin ang pinakabago mula sa mga paboritong mga mooring clubs. Dito lang sa Stoplight TV.
The 2007 Sunwig Coffee National Drag Race Championship Series is powered by Sunwig Coffee, Yokohama, Denso, Filipina Shell, Casino Filipino, Speedlab Nitrous Express, and aired exclusively on Stoplight TV. The last leg of the 2007 Sunwig Coffee Drag Race Series picked up the pace, and the participants were like bulls locked in a cage and ready for battle. Despite his runner-up finish in the final leg, Jonathan Chu and Team ERE still emerged as the overall champion. Chu holds the Philippine record time, 10.254 seconds, scored with 65 points in the series to claim the Premier Quick 8 crown. Drag Racing Director Phil Gilfin expresses gratitude to all the participating drivers and staff for another successful legal drag racing season.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Mr. Phil Gulfin. I'm the race director for drag racing here at BRC. It is our last leg today, and for the whole year we've been having some records fall, especially as for the quickest car in the Philippines, which is done by Jonathan Q. For safety, what we did this year was we required everybody to use racing suits, helmets, and 4-point seatbelts for basic classes like sportsman and pro class. I would like to invite you all to come and witness the fun and see if you can enjoy it through joining the races here.
So Jonathan, pakikwento lang. Ikaw ngayon ang ating national record holder. So pakikwento naman yon.
So far, hard work lang. Medyo thank you rin sa mga tuner namin, no? Yung sa team, sa mga tulong, at siyempre sa mga kasama ko rito na pupunta.
Okay, so Jonathan, ano bang pakiramdam ngayon na ikaw ang ating national champion at driver of the year for 2007?
Okay, mission accomplished na.
Okay, mission accomplished. Okay, so Jonathan, pwede tayo mag-invite ng mga young drivers natin sa drag racing.
Okay, yung mga medyo may init sa kalsada, dito nyo na lang ilabas yung init nyo sa pagmamaneho, wag sa labas at delikado.
Okay, so may gusto ka bang pasalamatan mga sponsors?
Actually, thank you sa team, no? Then siyempre sa BRC and sa mga sponsors ng BRC for this event.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, now we have Mr. Jonathan Chu, our 2007 National Drag Racing Champion for drag racing. Okay, congratulations na Jonathan. Thank you.
Kahit bumabagyo at umuulan, tuloy pa rin ang karera. And remember to always race on the track and not in the streets. At abangan mga mas matitinding legal drag racing action. Dito lang sa nag-iisang official TV partner ng 90% of Philippine motorsports. You're watching the award-winning Stoplight TV. The 2007 Sunmid Coffee National Drag Race Championship Series is powered by Sunmid Coffee, Yokohama, Denso, Filipina Shell, Casino Filipino, Speedlab Nitrous Express, and aired exclusively on Stoplight TV.
Iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang taste. Kaya ngayon, may Sunmid Coffee 3-in-1 coffee mix. May timplang suwabe, full body, at sweet and creamy. Ako, hulaan nyo. Anong bagay sa taste ko? Sunmid Coffee, bagay sa taste mo.
I told you, I've already had one. I'm driving, aren't I?
You'll be fine.
It's only a second. She's definitely the one. She still is. Hold on. Go on, give it a look. Go on.
Drinking and driving don't mix. Think first before you drink. A message of concern from Stoplight TV.
And here's the latest from local motoring industry. Suzuki Philippines recently introduced a new scooter model that embodies fashion and breakthrough in technology in one ride at the Dusit Hotel Nico in Makati City. Suzuki proudly introduced the revolutionary Hayate Super CVT 125, which is the latest addition to the Suzuki family. The new scooter guarantees premium performance, styling, and convenience that will surely create an impression with the meticulous scooter rider. Packed with the biggest displacement among all Japanese scooter brands at 125cc, the Hayate 125 features a single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine with the latest in motorcycle technology that will surely create a big impact on the motorcycle industry.
Definitely, it has an edge because it is an up-to-date motorcycle. No? When you say up-to-date, you could see in the trend and fashion of the motorcycle market, no? Na it is one fashionable motorcycle. When you compare it to others, no, basically what you could see is actually you could not compare it, no, because when you compare, you should be comparing apples to apples. However, as of now, ito lang yung apple sa market. Wala pang apple na katumbas siya. So it has an edge. The price is good, the feature is good, the design is good, everything is good.
Alamin ang pinakalatest sa local motoring industry dito lang sa Stoplight TV. The Boomland Racetrack near Ross Boulevard definitely knows how to rock. A dose of spicy underbone action was served hot for the anxious onlookers at the 5th leg of the 2007 Interbike Club Circuit Racing Series. All the 9 categories were filled with adrenaline-pumping action. These aspiring youngsters were too daring and simply unbelievable on the track. And of course, these kinds of racing events are made for them.
Ako si Tracy Soyanco, taga Pulilan, Bulacan, 18 years old. 5 months pa lang kami gumakarera. Sa boom na boom, buti, hindi rin madali sa aking karera na to. Hindi rin mahirap. Ayun. 110, sinalihan ko nga pala, 110, 125, 130 to 150, open novice. Yun, buti na uppers. Yun, nilakasan ko sa arangkada. Papasalamat ako sa Petron, sa Sonic Boom, sa sumusuporta sa akin, Motovlog, family ko. Yan.
Good day everyone, this is Dave De Leon, your race director for this 5th leg Sonic Boom event Interbike Club race. Actually, very successful yung event natin ngayon. In 9 categories, meron tayong 12 to 16 racer each categories. Invite ko kayo sa next leg namin this coming August 19. See you there, and we would like to thank our sponsor, Sonic Boom Event, Petron, AMP Motorcyclo, and thank you sa lahat ng participants, sa lahat ng sumuporta ng karera. Thank you very much. Stoplight TV, thank you.
Walang humpay ang mga Pinoy riders natin, kaya siguraduhin lagi kang protected by always wearing your helmets and other protective gear. Isang paalala mula sa amin dito sa Stoplight TV. Stoplight TV is powered by Speed Metal Engine Decarbonizing. Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike, a product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-bravo ka na! In salute of our talented and skillful mechanics all over the country, Honda's 5th Mechanic Skills Olympics gave its participants a warm welcome at their state-of-the-art facility in Batangas. A seminar concerning the technical aspects on how to troubleshoot simple and complex motorcycle problems were held for the mechanics' additional knowledge. And as soon as the ceremonies were done, the grading sheets were laid and these hot shots prove what they are made of. Evidently, the national finals put every challenger into the biggest test with rigorous simulations and hands-on activities. The complexities of motorcycle parts seem to be very simple for these men. Honda's facility looked like a motorcycle hospital, and assembling motorcycles were their specialty. That explains why the big names of Honda were overwhelmed by the exceptional skills of these truly amazing people. last year's winner and this year's champion, shared their experiences and gave some inspirational words for aspiring mechanics.
Congratulations, Mitch and Blas, for the championship trophy. I think it's about time that you share with us your secrets kung paano nyo nakuha yung champion trophy for this year and last year for Blas. So maybe we start with Mitch first to share with us kung ano yung kanyang naging preparation and how he was able to make it this time for 2007 Mechanic Skills Olympic.
Experience na rin yung sa akin, kaya siguro, kasi third time ko na tong pumasok sa finals eh. Tapos yung pinag-aaralan ko talaga yung mga na-encounter ko na mga may hirap na questions. Kaya nakakapag-prepare ako. Tapos yung service manager ko, very supportive naman. Binibigyan niya ako ng 1 week na review, full-time review, para nga dito sa Olympics. Kaya siguro pumasok ako sa Olympics.
Ikaw naman, Blas, maybe you can also share with us. Although last year, we don't have the opportunity to give this kind of interview. Maybe this time you can say something about the championship last year.
Siguro pinakamagandang sekreto para maging champion ay yung maging dedication. May dedication siya sa kung yung gusto nating ma-achieve. Kinakailangan yung ating ginagawa at yung bilang mekaniko, dapat naandun yung kanyang pagnanasa na talagang hindi lang manatili dun sa ganung posisyon na lamang. Kinakailangan merong goal, meron siyang gustong patunguhan. At yun ang aking isang ginawa, yung makuha yung pinakamataas na karangalan sa abot ng aking makakaya. At hindi naman ako nabigo dahil sa unang-una sa suporta ng Honda Philippines, sa mga seminars na binibigay nila, sa mga hands-on, tapos yung support ng aming company like yung aming president at yung aking service manager na si Sir James, na andun yung suporta niya lagi. Pag yung lagi may seminar sa Honda Philippines, andun lagi sila. Hindi kami pinababayaan.
Very well said. I think excited na ako for this year's competition sa Asia Oceania. So together we will work hand in hand so that we'll be able to bring home the gold and retain the gold medal, the championship trophy among the 12 other Asian countries that will be competing. So good luck to all of us. Congratulations to the both of you, and sana maging maganda pa o mas magaling pa kayo in the future. Thank you.
Catch more exciting Honda activities dito lang sa nangunang motoring and motorsports show sa buong Pilipinas. Stick to it, because you're watching Stoplight TV. Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike, a product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na! And here's this week's Stoplight TV motoring calendar. If you have motoring activities like races, car, or bike shows, let us know by sending us a private message through text. On your cell phones, type PM space stoplight space your name, contact number, and message. Send to 2948 for all networks. The Stoplight TV Motor Wednesdays is powered by Eastwood City. This is your city. And also brought to you by Seattle's Best Coffee, Pizza Hut Bistro Eastwood, and Something Fishy. It was reminiscent of the gimmick Mercado of the 90s to see the bonding and the crazy antics of the Auto Audio Enthusiast Club. The Central Plaza of Eastwood City in Libis was colorful than ever with the lights and sounds of those who displayed their cars. Audio Enthusiast Club obviously has the passion of setting up enormous audio systems in their cars that would simply blow your minds away. Their camaraderie is also essential to their group. As the day dawned, prizes were given away to spice up the fun-filled event.
Are you gonna leave me once again? Baby, don't you hit my heart.
Hello everybody, banging here at Eastwood City. It's a group of AAE Audio Enthusiasts, and right now here with me, beside me is of course the President, Third Gonzaga. Hello Third.
Hi Joy.
Hello, and of course the group of AAE behind me. Hello people. So Third, ilan kayo sa member mo tonight?
Right now I think we have at least 15 members, around 15 members here.
Right now here tonight, the active ones around yung kahit wala tonight?
Oh, there are around 30 of us.
30 lang. Okay, so if there are some viewers right now here with us, paano sila maka-join sa club ninyo?
Okay, at first they can try logging in at www.aaenthusiast.com and then check out how they can be a member. We also do our EBs in Ortigas, in, where is it guys? No, during Wednesdays. Alibar in Home Depot, Ortigas Home Depot, and every Thursdays with the South Group, Westgate. Yeah,
Westgate, Alabang.
Every night. Wednesdays and Thursdays.
Okay, so you may join these people there at Westgate, Alabang. And of course, meron pa ba kayong mga upcoming events that these people should be looking forward to?
Yeah, currently we still have, we don't have any events right now, but for sure if we will have one, we'll be on the site and we'll let you know if there are new events.
So, alright, thank you very much. And anything else you want to add, Kaku?
Thank you to our sponsors, Uberworks and Autoline and Power Trip, Car Market World, and Pat Audio, and Cax Enterprise. That's it.
Alright, so there you have it, people. If you guys want to check out AAE, just check out their website at
www.aaenthusiast.com.
Alright, so there you have it, people. Just check these people out, and you too probably might join this club. Sometime soon, we'll be featuring you here only at Stoplight TV, Studio 23, Cabarcada.
If you want to be part of the longest running motoring club-centered activity in the Philippines, tutok lang at makinig. Send us an email, tell us why you want to be featured, and send it to info@stoplight.tv. That's info@stoplight.tv. At malay nyo ba kayo lang susunod na may feature sa Eastwood City? Dito lang yan sa Stoplight TV. The Stoplight TV Motor Wednesdays is powered by Eastwood City. This is your city. And also brought to you by Seattle's Best Coffee, Pizza Hut Bistro Eastwood, and Something Fishy.
Well guys, we hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you want to get in touch with us, you can email us by typing on your emails, info@stoplight.tv. Send the emails to info@stoplight.tv for your comments, suggestions, whatever. If you want to be featured on our Motor Wednesdays, just email us, okay? You can also text us by sending on space stoplight on your cell phones, type it, and send to 2948 for all networks. That's on space stoplight and send to 2948 for all networks. And pwede rin kayo sumali sa aming Friendster account. That's stoplight_TV at yahoo.com. That's stoplight_TV at yahoo.com. At syempre, if you're online already, might as well check our website, www.stoplight.tv, and check the first direct-to-email magazine in the country, Stoplight Mag by logging on to www.stoplightmag.com. Subscription is free. That's www.stoplightmag.com. This has been DJ Matt Montoya. I'll see you at the next stoplight. Bye-bye.
Nakakabaliw, nakakaloko. Hanep kang gumalaw. Galing-galing mo talagang sumayaw.